Hello guys, it's been a while. Yeah, so I've been off the chart for over 1 week now, but I'm back. So let's analyze some few pairs. We're gonna be analyzing GPB cards, gold and NZD, GPB NZD or GPB AUD. So let's get started. So looking at GPB cards, I'm already in a in a monthly time frame because I believe in top-down analysis. I leave no stones behind. I want to understand what is actually going on the higher time frame for me to make my judgment. So looking at the higher time frame from the monthly, it is obvious that the market is in an uptrend. Market has been making impulse from this movement here, right? Overall. This is impulse correction, right? Another impulse. So we are in an uptrend. Buyers are actually empowering the market. So if you are to do like a kindergarten student, you can count the number of between this point here. You can actually count the number of sellers or the number of sell candles and the number of buy candles. You see that actually buyers are actually empowering the market, right? So it is an uptrend. So we now move to the weekly time frame. Now that we know that monthly is an uptrend, we go to the weekly time frame. So when you look at the weekly time frame, what is actually going on the weekly time frame? It is clearly simple. So on the wheelie, it's also very obvious that we are in an uptrend. This is a high, this is a low, and then the market make an impulsive move, break the this level here. There has been a problematic area here, like a consolidation where market was failing to break for some months, and then finally the market break impulsively, break this level, right? So now weekly is also showing us we are in an uptrend, and for the past how many weeks? This is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and the market has been empowering. Buyers have been empowering the market, like we said, from the monthly and down to the weekly is obviously a buy market, right? So now, this is based on market structure. This is also impulse. Market make impulsive move, and then we may have that retracement before a continuation of an impulsive move, right? So looking at this candle, you see that when market started pushing, look at how big the market started producing. Look at this candle, look at the size, look at this one, and then this week candle market close as that is a shooting star, right? It shows that market is getting exhausted to continue pushing. We may want to come back to retrace before that continuation. So we are in an uptrend, but for now, are we going to continue going bullish? Because market make impulse move based on impulse correction, right? So this level here, this shows like a blind spot, and also this level uh was a problematic level area before the markets finally respect the level, right? So now I will be expecting price to come back to this level. From the weekly time frame, I will be expecting market to or price to come back to this level where we can look for buys, right? So now market make a push. We may want to come back here. But remember, for market to drop back to here is going to take weeks. So if we know that, okay, market is going to make a retracement, this is an impulse, there may be a retracement. We have to see if actually market is going to make that retracement back to this level from the daily time frame. So we have to understand what the weekly is doing. Weekly is an uptrend, but currently is the weekly trying to make another retracement before a continuation of the uptrend. So let's look at the daily time frame. So when you go to the daily time frame, you see that from the information we have gotten from the weekly time frame based on market structure wise, you see that daily also was pushing in an uptrend. This is like impulse correction impulse, but from this level here, daily the market started like consolidating or moving sidewaysly, or moving in a sideways form, right? So guys, so looking at the daily, you see that it is a sign that the market may want to drop back before a continuation. We have a deep retracement to this level or down to this level. If the market retraces to this level here, back to this level, we may and give us confirmation. We may also see reasons to buy, but I feel like the market want to retrace. And if the market closes below here, and then we know that the market is coming for a deeper retracement to this level before we can continue going back of bullish, right? So now, we want to see if we can capitalize on this sign of retracement. And you see the market forms the first candle here, second candle like a kind of consolidation, and finally the market close, the daily candle close as a bearish engulf. In this wise, from the information we have gotten from the weekly time frame, and then we are now seeing a sign of retracement from the daily, we can actually look for selling opportunity. It is a counter this thing, but the retracement, since it's coming, is going to take place from the daily or the weekly and the daily, is going to be a good opportunity for us to look for fantastic five in line with the direction with the retracement from the higher time frame. Maybe look from H4, H1 to see if we can see trading opportunity to sell, right? We now go to the daily H4 time frame. On H4 time frame also, looking at H4, right, we started seeing the market has started giving us this kind of a vibe. This was the high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and then the market formed a higher low here, and then failed to break this one. So this is like kind of a double top, and then the market dropped back down to break this low here. So everything is aligning that the market may want to give a deeper retracement back. I mean, the retracement, if the market can give a retracement back to this level, let's go back to the daily and see. I'm going to put my line here on daily. I'm going to put my line right here on daily time frame, right? Let me go to weekly. Okay. I'm putting my line here on daily. So, guys, let's check out something. Let's go back to weekly. Okay. So I'm putting my line here on daily, right? So if the market will drop back to this level here on daily time frame, and then as we see any serious buy confirmation, we can go in. But if the market close below, which I will be looking forward to that close below, and then we'll look forward to for selling opportunity back to this level here, right? But our area of concentration now is to see how we can capitalize on this back to this level. If we know what to do, we can get a good risk to reward right there. So we go to the H4 time frame. What can we see from the H4 time frame, right? We can actually see from this level, we can see, let me go to the H1 time frame to see. Okay, from this level, you can see that we have a Quasimodo manipulation right here. How is it a Quasimodo manipulation? We have something here. We have a low, we have a high, we have a higher high, we have a lower low, right? So the market was supposed to buy based on the concept of Quasimodo reversal, but the market failed and closes below, right? So that gives us a Quasimodo reversal from Quasimodo manipulation from the 1 hour time frame. So we're also going to change the color of this one. So like I said, when you understand the story of higher time frame, then you know where to look for your setup. So we go to, this is the Quasimodo from the H1, and also from H4, we can see a blind spot. So everything is aligning. Blind spots on the H4 time frame, right? Blind spot on H4 time frame. And then Quasimodo manipulation on the H1 time frame. So blind spot is a reversal setup. Quasimodo is also a reversal. Quasimodo manipulation is also a reversal setup. So, and all of them happen on the same level. So we look for confirmation. On H1, we have Quasimodo manipulation. On H4, we have blind spot. So we have to look for confirmation. Confirmation is going to be from daily and weekly time frame. So we go to daily. What do we see on daily? We see this obviously is it's a bearish engulf. So this bearish engulf is going to serve as the daily It's going to serve as a confirmation of our blind spot on H1 and also quasi model manipulation on H1 time frame. So if the market can come there and then give us entry confirmation. So I'm going to go back to the H4 or H1 time frame, as the case may be. Everything happened on the same zone, right? So if the market comes here and give us entry confirmation right here. Once we have entry confirmation, we're going to reach 1% back down bearish, right? So this is obviously a setup on the GPP cards. Yeah, so I'm going to do something here like this. So this is what we're going to be looking for by coming next week, right? So this is the analysis on the GPB card. Okay, so let's quickly go to the gold.